So we are going to analyze this website through Screaming Frog here. As you can see, we have crawled 100% of the URLs and we have find 121 pages from all of the pages, and as you can see here is the issues. So what actually I am going to fix is the issues and the priority of the issues. So for your website, which is the main and the major issues that you should fix? So let me deep dive everything. So this is the herplank tag, which is actually the language tag that can define a page and their language. So this is the response code. The response code is based on the 301, 302, 303, 404, 401 and something like that. So these are very important issues, so you should focus on that part. And this is the heading h1 missing. That means you have to push h1 for every page, but I think for this website the h1 is not that important. And then contain a space in URL. That means you have URLs that have a space in between the URL. So this is the image alter attribute. So this means you have to put the URL attribute, image attribute for images. And there is a multiple slashes in the URL. That means you have to put one single slash in the URL. And another issue is canonicalized. This means you have a page that have different canonicalized, which is, you can see that here. And as well as there is some warning, as you can see, multiple h1 tags, canonical issues, and security protocols that not that important, but you can fix that as well. Internal redirection, that means this is, you can see the description here, internal redirect with your which is redirect enable. This will include server side redirects such as 301 and 302 redirects. That means there is a redirection in server side, so that should be fixed, otherwise your user will redirect by a loop or something. So there is a uppercase URL, so you should put only lowercase, because this is something like crawler get distracted, so you can fix that too. And as well as, let's go down here. Here you can see a security header issues. So there is something, couple of code that can be fixed that issues, but if you have a WordPress website, you can simply just install a security header plugin and activate it. It automatically fixes the issues. And then we go to the page title. This is the very common thing, so you can increase or decrease the number of text characters from the title and descriptions, as well as you can see the low content, which means the page have low content. So as you can see, this is a page which is login, wish list and register. That page doesn't actually need a lot of content or more content. So here is you can see page title duplicate. That means there is a two duplicate title on the pages, right? So that should be only single page title, and page title 30 characters and page title 60 characters. This is very common, no problem. And meta description is duplicate. That means you have duplicate meta description, you should put only one single meta description for every single or unique page. And h2 about 70 characters, this is not the priority, this is normal. Link no restricted anchor text, this is also quite normal, but for what the time you should fix. URL over 150 15 characters, that's the issue actually. So you have to lower your URL length. Okay, and URL underscore, there is underscore in the URL, so sometimes you have to filter out your pages, so these things can come up. So this doesn't matter because we have different canonical for every page, which is identified for the Google. And h2 duplicate, that means you have some h2 which is appear on different pages, the same h2 appear different pages, you have to consider that as unique. You have to consider unique h2 for every single page. h1 over 70 characters, that doesn't issues, but keep short because Google always loves short things. And content readability difficulties, so there is a difficulties on these pages. So yeah, that particularly based on your content strategy, so you should fix that part as well. So meta description 70 characters, below 70 characters, below, okay, that doesn't actually need much priority. Page title same as h1. Yeah, you could change your page title with slides different by adding your brand name after your title, so it will automatically change your meta title for all of the pages. So here is h1 duplicate, that means h1 heading is duplicate all over the other pages. So I think there is some section can be defined with the title. You could change your title by individual page name, h1 with a, like, discover our project in Bengaluru, discover our project in Hyderabad. So this way you can make a unique h1 tag. So image missing alter attribute, as well as missing alter attribute and missing size attribute, I don't think it's very important, but if you have more time you can do that, no problem. Internal link in internal out links with no anchor text, so you have to put anchor text so Google can identify about any URL that is linked to. Meta description over 155 character, this is not the issue actually. So the main issues you can find above here, as you can see, issues and the priority. So you have to completely fix all of your issues from the audit of Screaming Frog, as well as you can focus on some warnings. Try to reduce as many as warnings for your website, but you have to, like, you must have fix all the issues. Otherwise, because these issues actually make your website uh, uh, from crawling, smooth crawling and indexing. So when Google find any 404 issues or redirection or anything like user cannot find or having trouble visiting your website, Google as well don't give you any priority. Okay, so you have to fix all of the issues with rate sign here. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can comment down below and I will try to help you. uh, yeah, thank you, bye.